So this question is made to help you in different tests. You may appear in NTS, PSC, so many tests. This question paper may help you. So question number one is Aeroflot is the airline of Canada, Sri Lanka, Russia, Japan. So Aeroflot is the airline of Russia. So C option is the right answer. Question number two, abbreviation of USB. It's a very common universal serial bus. Question number three, how many zeros are there in 1 billion? So in 1 billion, it's a 10 power 9, so means it has 9 zeros. So B is the right answer. Question number four, Alitalia is the airline of Jordan, Italy, France and Ireland. So it is the airline of Italy. Question number 5, Qantas is the airline of which country? Australia, US, UK, Russia. So it's Australia. Question number 6, what is the old name of Iraq? So first option is Constantinople. Constantinople is the old name of Turkey. So Mesopotamia is the right answer. Question number 7, Tegel Airport is located in which country? Greece, Germany, UK, USA. So right answer is Germany. Question number 8, Adnan Menderes Airport is located in which country? Egypt, Cyprus, UAE or Turkey. So it's located in Turkey. Question number 9, what is the old name of Iran? So Persia. A option is the correct answer. Persia is the old name of Iran. Question number 10, Sheremetyevo International Airport is located in which country? France, Russia, Britain or China. So it's in Russia. To come to the question number 11, Baldwin Street is located in which country? So it's New Zealand. Question number 12, which is the highest peak of Himalaya? So K2 is the highest peak of Karakoram ranges. Mount Everest is also that comes in Karakoram ranges. So Naga Parbat is the right answer. Naga Parbat is the highest peak of Himalaya. Question number 13, Broadway Street is famous for? It's famous for theaters. So Broadway Street is in USA, so it's famous for theaters. Question number 14, when did Sir Syed Ahmad Khan set MAO Mohammedan Anglo Oriental High School in Aligarh? So it's 1875. C is the right answer. Question number 15, world's narrowest street is Wall Street, Vico de Vilta, Fleet Street, Yonge Street. So narrow street is Yonge Street and it lies in the Canada. D option is the right answer. Question number 16, Downing Street is situated at which country? Greece, Germany, UK or USA. So Downing Street is in UK. Question 17, the chemical that is used in artificial rain. So silver nitrate, silver iodide, silver chloride, silver nitrate. Silver iodide is the right answer. Question number 18, Indonesia's old name was Suriname, Netherlands, Indochina, Aceh. So B is the right answer. Netherlands, or its full name is East Indies. Netherlands, East Indies. The B is the right answer. Question number 19, the new name of East Pakistan: Bhutan, Bangladesh, Bengal and Nadi. So Bangladesh is the right answer. Question number 20, new name of Ceylon is Nepal, Sri Lanka, Burma or Bhutan. So new name of Ceylon is Sri Lanka. Question number 21, the old name of Sahiwal: Lyallpur, Lawrencepur, Montgomery, Multan. Montgomery is the right answer. It is the old name of Faisalabad. Question number 22, Pipri is a new name of Katibandak bin Qasim, Javani or Gadumi. So Pipri is a new name of bin Qasim port. 23, Siam is the old name of Burma, Thailand, Bangkok, Suriname. So Bangkok is the right answer. Question number 24, which country is called the land of golden fiber? So it's Bangladesh. Question number 25, nascent is the parliament of which country? China, Russia, Israel or Yemen? Israel is the right answer. Question number 26, which country is the land of thousand lakes? France, Finland, China, Iraq. So Finland is the right answer. Finland is known as the land of thousand lakes. Question number 27. Which country is called China's sorrow? Hangzhou, Beijing, Shenzhen, or Shanghai. So Hangzhou is the river which lies in China, and its other name is Yellow River. So Hangzhou is the right answer. Question number 28. Which country is called crossroad of Europe? So cross of Europe is known as the Belgium. Question number 29. Golan Heights is dispute between Syria and Israel, Syria and Iraq, Iran and Iraq with Iran. So Syria, first option, Syria and Israel. Question number 30. Which country is called the land of the milk and honey? Iran, Iraq, Lebanon, or Nepal? Lebanon is the right answer. Question number 31. Which country is called the land of midnight city? Sweden, Norway, Denmark, or Canada? Norway is the right answer for the land of the midnight city. Question number 32. Viru International Airport located in which country? It's Pakistan, Bolivia, Norway, or Nepal? Bolivia is the right answer. Question number 33. Which country is called the land of smiles? So Thailand is the right answer for the land of smiles. Question number 30. Where is the headquarters of UNICEF? The headquarters of UNICEF is in New York, and the headquarters of UNESCO is Paris. So it's in UNICEF, so its headquarters is New York. Question number 35. Which city is called the City of Conference? Obviously, it's Geneva. Question number 36. Where the deepest lake? Baikal. So USA, Netherlands, Canada, D. Russia is the right answer. Question number 37. Which city is called the City of Palaces? Lahore, Mexico City, Kiev, or Paris? Mexico City is called the City of the Palaces. Which country is called Gateway to the East? So it's a Peru. Where the Nigeria Falls? UK, USA, South Africa, Australia. So Nigeria Falls is in USA. Question number 40. Which city is called the Golden Gate City? San Francisco, New York, London, or Venice? So San Francisco is the golden city. A option is the right answer. Question number 41. Golan Heights belongs to, basically it belongs to Syria, but it's a dispute between the Syria and Israel. So it's in Syria. Official resident, question 42. Official resident of Pope, UK, USA, Vatican City, or Rome? Vatican City is the resident of Pope. Question 43. Waterloo is located in France, Belgium, Switzerland, England. So Waterloo is the place where Napoleon Bonaparte fought. So basically Napoleon Bonaparte belongs to France, but Waterloo is in Belgium. Question number 44. Where is the Leaning Tower of Pisa? UK, USA, France, Italy. So Leaning Tower of Pisa is in Italy. Question 45. Which of the following has an unwritten constitution? Canada, UK, USA, Russia. So there are I think three countries which have unwritten constitution: UK and Israel. So here it says UK. UK has the unwritten constitution. Which country? Question 46. Which country is called the site of the ancient civilization? Iraq, Iran, Egypt, or India? So site of ancient civilization is Mesopotamia. So Mesopotamia is an old name of Iraq. So Iraq is the right answer. Statue of Liberty is located in which country? It's in New York. Question 48. Which country is called the Horn of Africa? Norway, China, Ghana, Somalia. Somalia is the right answer. Somalia is known as the Horn of Africa. 49. Deficiency of C causes the which disease? Obviously, scurvy. Night blindness is caused by deficiency of vitamin A, beriberi vitamin B, and scurvy is vitamin C. Which country is called the Britain of South? Norway, New Zealand, Canada, Australia? New Zealand is the right answer.